What's up, guys? So I used to have I had a pair of goggles that were blue and white and I lost them somewhere. We think it was BC or something. So I got a new pair and I'm gonna use them today. These were the ones that I used at Thamesford Pool. They had the GoPro mount and they were the exact same goggles, case and everything. I filmed a pool video of me doing a bunch of flips and stuff with my friend Riley. But I got another pair since I lost my last ones. So I thought I would film a bit of an unboxing. But they didn't come in a box, so it's not really an unboxing. Okay. I peeled this sticker that was supposed to come with the clear plastic piece on the inside, and it didn't go with it. So now I have to figure out how to get it off. I wanted to film it because it would be satisfying. Oh, wait, did I get it? I got it, but it stuck back down. Oh, I got it. I'm trying to film this one-handed, and it's not quite. Hold on.
Did not say it's 4 o'clock yet. It says 4 times that.
Well, I didn't film it good, and that wasn't exactly satisfying because of my filming, so. I don't know what this is. They're like tiny screws, I guess, for something. And there's whatever that is. But yeah, they're the exact same goggles that I had before, and they come in the case with the the GoPro thing that I can put my GoPro on, and then the case. I'm gonna charge my GoPro and film me going down the water slide, and hopefully figure out what this is.
What's your name? What's your name?
Gavin. Hi. Are you Squidward? Hello. Hey, Mr. Parrot. How's your day going? Good.